Hello guys and welcome to Chitkara Learner. Our today's topic is string in C. Basically, string in C programming language. Today we are going to do is string. You know about array? In earlier video we have talked about array. Array is collection of same type of data. Okay. Now this is array. Okay. Now what we have to understand now, what is a string? String is a collection of characters, or you can say is a array of characters. Okay. First we will learn about string. Array of character. Array of character, or you can say collection of character. Okay, you can say anything to it, both of the thing, this or this. Okay, now let us now we are going to start string. So first we are going to how to define a string. Okay, we are going to define string by like char ch, or you can take str for better understanding, equals to string. Okay, now let me explain everything. This is data type, this is variable name, and you know string is collection of or array of characters. So this is array sign, this shows array in double quotes, meaning that it's a string. Okay, and this is the value part. Okay, if I define this in this string single quote, it will give error. Why? Because single quote is used for only character, not for a string. Okay, now you know how to define a string properly. Now let me show you how it stores value, how it stores value in it. Okay, like you have defined char ch equals to my name is Ram. Okay, this is your string. Now how it is take value, like how it is defined in memory, let me show you. It is defined like ch and address. Let me take a short string so that I can give a proper example. Like you can say take a string only. Okay, now how it will create? It will create a block. It will create a block for each character, like S, T, R, I, N and G, and last it will store is \0, which means the string is ending at here only. There is no further character after this. Okay, this shows that string ends here. It is also having index value if it is a character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th. Now let us talk about address. Now this will, every character will have the address like 0x26, 0x27, 28 and further. Okay, and so on. It allocate memory like this. Now you know how to declare string and how to declare like this thing. Now you are giving value. Now I will tell you how to declare a string. Now you know this thing, address and all. Now I will tell you about declaration. This is when you are assigning a value. Now you have to declare string only. So you have to do is like char ch and size. This one is size, like characters, okay, number of characters. Now you know about the null character, how it will allocate the memory. It will allocate like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and backslash 0. This is null character. This is null character, okay. And you can say the termination of a string. Termination of string. By this we get to know the string is going to end now. Now I will tell you different methods to initialize string. Different ways to initialize string. अलग अलग तरीके बताएंगे कि string को कैसे initialize कर सकते हैं. There are 4 ways to declare string is: first, you are already aware, char ch equals to string. Now let us talk about second one. Like you can define size also, char ch 7 equals to string. After this you can store like this also, char ch, it's an array, so you can store like this: s t r I and n and then g, and after that is backslash 0. This is also then array ends, okay. And after this you can define like this. Then you can define size also like 7, and you can define s t r I n g and then backslash 0, okay. These are the 4 ways to define string, and you already know that it's an index value like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us do a program in which we are going to print a string, okay. It's a simple program for string. Okay, after this you can do is int main, avoid this noise, then char str like string, okay. Now you have to print this string, printf. %s is used to print string, like %d is for str string name, and then close it, okay. This is a simple program to print a string. Now let me tell you how to scan a string and then print. You can use scanf also for printing a string or getting input of string, like scanf, and there's no need to write and that, and directly write str, okay. Or you can use gets and puts also, it's your choice. Thank you.